Alright, this is my daughter's Saturn L300. It's having a problem not starting, and I will see if I can replicate that problem right now. So I will put the key in here. When I turn the car to the, let's close that. When you put the car to the run position, I don't know if you can hear that noise. But that noise is coming from the throttle body. You can see also the fuel gauge isn't working. And then you have all these other lights on. It's not out of gas or anything like that. Service light, service engine soon light, fuel light, airbag light. So if I try to start it, it just cranks like that. So I will take you to hear the sound. So the sound is coming from somewhere in here. So one thing to note is my OBD2 scanner will not scan the vehicle if the throttle body is plugged in. So if I were to turn the vehicle off or turn it out of the run position, so I take it out of run, and now if I were to unplug the throttle body, let's see if I can get it with one hand here. Okay, if I'm to unplug the throttle body and go back, and then if I were to go back and put the car to run, actually you can see that all those lights aren't on anymore and the fuel gauge is working. The only light I have on there is a service engine soon light, and now when the throttle body's unplugged, I am able to read the codes with my OBD2 scanner, but with the throttle body plugged in, I can't read the codes. And I can get it to start. And I can get it to run, but obviously with the throttle body unplugged and this drive-by-wire, nothing's I can't drive it. You can see I have the reduced power light on, and then that service engine light has come on. So now with the car running like this, I was able to pull some codes and get the OBD2 scanner to connect. But with the throttle body plugged in, I can't get the scanner to even connect. Now just to recap that, we've turned the car to the off position, plug the throttle body back in, there we go, hear that clicking, throttle body's doing that with it in the run position. And it's not starting. I have taken the BCM out and just kind of inspected it, checked all the plugs, and then I also opened it up to look to see if there were any burnt spots on the circuit board. It seems fine, but that's just visually. Yeah, that's it. Let's see, what else could I say? The remote works. The remote works for the vehicle. I can lock the doors, unlock them. Yeah, I'm kind of at a loss. Let's tell you about the codes that I have here are P1791, and that's a ECM PCM communications problem. Correct me if I'm wrong. U2105, trans not communicating with ECM. So I expect all those are related. Engine torque, and then P1779, engine torque delivered to TCM. Not exactly sure what that means, but yeah, if you could help me out. Help!